Bonsoir and welcome to the Irish premiere screening of Women by Anastasia Mikova and Yann Arthus-Bertrand. I'm particularly happy to be introducing this magnificent and touching documentary to celebrate International Women's Day, la Journée Internationale des Droits des Femmes, here in Ireland. Gender inequalities remain persistent around the world and are even getting worse with the current COVID-19 pandemic. France is strongly committed to equality, and the French Embassy in Ireland is delighted to be partnering with the National Women's Council of Ireland to present this screening across the country. France, together with co-chair Mexico, will host a Generation Equality Forum organized by UN Women later this year. All participants within a coalition of states, civil society and the private sector will be invited to make commitments to drive women's rights and make it a great global cause. Now, without further ado, thank you for watching the screening with us tonight. Enjoy the film and let us fight together for equality.
I'm Orla O'Connor, the Director of the National Women's Council of Ireland, and I'm really delighted that the National Women's Council is partnering with the French Embassy in Ireland and the Alliance Française network in giving the Irish premiere screening of the film Woman. Woman is such a powerful film. It shows women in all our diversity and shows the global struggle for women's rights and women's equality. And it is so poignant that this is being shown on the week of International Women's Day 2021. And I hope that it inspires you to continue in your struggle for women's equality and to join the global struggle to achieve women's rights throughout the world.
Bonjour, je voulais vous présenter Anastasia Mikova, avec laquelle nous avons réalisé le film que vous allez voir bientôt, qu'on aime beaucoup, qui s'appelle Woman. Et nous avons tourné en Irlande. Voilà.
Hello, I would like to introduce Yann Arthus-Bertrand. Maybe some of you don't know who he is. He's an amazing photographer and director, and together we did this film you're going to watch tonight, Woman, and for which we have interviewed 2,000 women in 50 different countries. And Ireland was one of them, and we are really, really happy for the first time to screen the film and to make you discover the voices of all these amazing women, because you know, they have trusted us with their stories. They have shared things they have never shared with anyone before. But now their voices need to be heard. So we hope that you are there to listen to all of these stories. Thank you so much.
Très bonne projection et on vous aime. Hein?
On vous aime.